is that?
3.
No, say 8. 8. Good job.
What's he say?
That is, I think. What comes after 5?
7.
No, what comes after 5?
1, 5.
Let her look at it and figure it out.
6.
She's looking at it.
6.
Oh, 6.
Yes.
Yes.
We'll get
Yes.
that number.
Yes. Yes. It's 6. It's 6.
What about you,
She
Hannah?
got it.
What number's that?
Number 1.
Number 1. The best. Turn it up like that. What number is that? You tell me.
You got it right a minute ago. What number is that, baby?
Hey. What number is this? Haley? What number is that?
4.
Good job.
I 4.
You 4.
Hannah, can you spell Hannah?
It's 8, isn't it? 8, 8.
What's your middle name?
My whole name?
Your middle name.
Burton.
That's your last name. What's your middle name?
It's just
What's
like,
my name? So what's your middle name? So what's your whole name?
whole name.
All 3 names.
Your first name is?
Hannah Burton.
Nope.
Forgot one. Hannah. Hannah Nicole Burton. Hannah Nicole Burton.
Hannah Colbert.
There you go.
Can you sing the Burton song?
What number is that?
B-U-R-T-U-N. Burton. Burton. B-U-R-T-U-N. Burton is your last name.
Good
job!
Hey, I knew it.
It's B-U-R-T-O-N. But you did very good with the song.
No, what number is that? It's the first number.